I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 with me, and in this beginner guide video I am going to tell you everything that you need to know about setting it up and using it for the first time. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you what comes inside the Galaxy Watch 5 box. When you will open it, then you will get a quick start guide, the watch itself and the Type-C charging cradle. Now let's fire up the watch. To turn it on, press and hold this upper button until the watch starts. There you go, the watch has been turned on. Now it says, get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So take your cell phone and open the Play Store to download and install the Galaxy Wearable app. It is a pretty small app and gets installed quickly. Once installed, open the app. Tap on the Start button. It needs permission to access the location of your cell phone. Go ahead and allow it. Now it is looking for Galaxy devices nearby. Once you see your Watch 5 on the list, go ahead and tap on it. It will now send a pairing number to your watch. If the number displayed on your smartwatch and smartphone is the same, then go ahead and click on the Confirm button. Allow the Galaxy Wearable app to access the watch by clicking on the Allow button. Now, the app will download the software to your Watch 5. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so let it get done. Once it is done, you will be asked if you want to automatically update the Galaxy Wearable app and your smartwatch or not. I like to take full control, so I am unticking these. You can select these options if you don't like manual updates. Now tap on the Continue button. Next, you will be asked if you want to share usage, diagnostic and location data with Samsung or not. You can untick the options if you want. I don't want any of these, so I am unticking them. Now scroll down and tap on the I agree button. Your watch is now getting ready to be used. It can take a minute or two, so sit back and relax. As the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 runs on Google's Wear OS, therefore you will be asked to sign into your Google account. All the Google accounts that you have already signed in on your smartphone will be displayed here. You can choose the one you already have, or you can also choose to make a new one. I already have an account, so I am selecting it. On the next screen, you will be asked to install the apps on your Watch 5. You can choose which app you want on your watch. I don't want any of these apps, so I am skipping this step. I can download these apps later if I want. Now you will be asked if you want to restore your watch data from the Samsung cloud. If you were using a Samsung watch before, then you can also restore its data from your Samsung account. Your previous watch names will be displayed here. You can select the watch you want to restore data from. Once you choose the smartwatch, you will have to choose the data you want to restore. I don't want to restore anything, so I am skipping this step as well. The app is now finishing up and preparing the watch for use. Wait for a minute or two and it will get done. Once it is done, the Galaxy Wearable app will get opened. That's it. Your watch has been successfully paired with your smartphone now. Now let me tell you how you can navigate and use different things on your smartwatch. Galaxy Watch 5 comes with a touch screen, therefore you can navigate the watch using the touch. There are also two physical buttons present on the side. Pressing the upper button once will take you to the home screen, and pressing the lower button will take you to the previous screen. You can also change the functionalities of these buttons if you want. If you want to know that, then you can check out my Watch 5 tips and tricks video using the I button. If you don't know, then let me tell you that Galaxy Watch 5 runs on Google's Wear OS, which is based on the Android operating system that you use on your Android smartphones. Therefore, you will find the interface of the Watch 5 to be quite similar to your cell phone. Swiping down will bring the quick settings menu, as it does on Android phones. Here you get options like bedtime mode, settings, do not disturb, always on display, brightness, Wi-Fi, location, etc. If you want to add, remove or arrange any option, then you can tap on this plus icon here. Now you can arrange the order and add or remove things. Once done, just tap on the back button and things will get saved. If you want to access the notifications, then all you have to do is swipe right on the home screen and it will show you the notifications. To access other notifications, you just have to keep swiping right. If you want to dismiss all the notifications, then keep swiping right until you see the clear all option. Then tap on the delete icon and every notification will get deleted. Now, if you want to quickly access Samsung activity rings, want to measure your heart rate, stress, SpO2, or want to quickly see the weather, calendar, etc., then you can make use of tiles. To access the tiles, you can swipe left on the home screen. Here you can keep swiping left to access different things. If you want to add, remove, or rearrange the tiles, then all you have to do is press and hold any tile. Now you can tap on this icon to remove the tile, or you can press and hold the tile to rearrange it. If you want to add a new tile, then go all the way to the right and tap on the plus icon. Then select the tile that you want to add. Now go back to the home screen. Here, swiping up will open the app drawer. From here, you can access all the apps that are installed on your smartwatch. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 also comes with a touch-sensitive bezel like its predecessors. Therefore, you can use it to scroll up and down. You just have to slide your finger on the bezel in a clockwise direction to scroll downwards, and in the anti-clockwise direction to scroll upwards. So this is how you can navigate through the watch. Let me now tell you how you can install apps on it and customize it to your liking. There are actually two ways of installing apps on your Watch 5. As we discussed earlier, Watch 5 runs on Google Wear OS. Therefore, it gets its own Play Store. You can use it to install apps on it. Or you can use the Play Store of your smartphone to install apps on it. To use the Play Store of your Watch 5, you just have to open the app drawer on it. Then open the Play Store and search for the app that you want to install. And then tap on the install button to install the app on your watch. The thing that you need to note here is that your smartwatch must be connected to your cell phone, and your cell phone needs to be connected to the internet in order to download the app on your watch. Or you need to connect your Watch 5 to a Wi-Fi network. As discussed, you can also make use of the Play Store on your smartphone to download the apps on your watch. To do that, connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. Then, open the Play Store on your cell phone. Search for the app you want to download. Now, tap on the arrow present with the install button. Select your Watch 5 and tap on the install button. This will install the app on your smartwatch. You can also customize your Galaxy Watch 5 to your liking. You can change its clock face. To do it, you just have to touch and hold onto the home screen of your watch. Then, swipe left to see the available watch face. Tap on the watch face that you like, and that's it. The clock face on your smartwatch has been changed. You can also make a clock face from scratch if you like. To know how to do it, you can check out the video using the I button. Most of us buy a smartwatch to track our fitness, right? So let me tell you how you can use your Galaxy Watch 5 to track your fitness. To start measuring your workout, swipe left on the home screen until you see the exercise. Then tap on Mode. Now simply select the workout mode that you want to track. Galaxy Watch 5 can track more than 90 sports modes. If you don't find the desired workout mode, then swipe left all the way and tap on the plus button. Now you will see the list of all workouts that your Watch 5 can track. Search for the one you are looking for and tap on it to start tracking. Watch 5 can track a few workouts on its own automatically. These workouts include running, walking, elliptical training, etc. To turn on the automatic detection on your Watch 5, open Settings. Then go to Samsung Health. Scroll down and turn on the Activities to Detect button. Now whenever you do these exercises for 10 minutes straight, your Watch 5 will start tracking them on its own. So this is how you can track your exercises using the Galaxy Watch 5. But wait, I am sure you must want to look at the stats related to your fitness tracking, right? You will be surprised to know that the Galaxy Wearable app lets you control your watch and its settings, but it cannot show you your health and fitness details. In order to see your fitness and health details, you will have to install another app called Samsung Health on your smartphone. So open the Play Store on your smartphone once again and install the Samsung Health app. It is a pretty big app and will take a few minutes to get installed. Once the Samsung Health app gets installed, go ahead and open it up. Allow it to send notifications. Tap on the Continue button. On the next screen, select Deselect if you want to receive promotions from Samsung and then tap on the Next button. Allow the Samsung Health app the permissions it asks for. Next, you will be asked to choose a Samsung account. You can also choose the one you already have, or you can make a new one. I am choosing the one I already have. That's it. Now your Samsung Health app is also set up. You can now keep track of your activities, health and fitness. This Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 beginner guide ends here. I hope now you know how to use your Galaxy Watch 5. If you did, then do not forget to like and share it. If you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos related to Watch 5. I will now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.